Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about packages in Python. So first of all, we will go the step by step the procedure. So first of all, I will create one folder. Okay, in C drive under my user and all that things under Python 3.11. I will create one folder. For example, name of that folder will be my program. Okay, so basically in Python, a folder is nothing but the package. Okay, so next thing, inside my program folder, I will create one file, and the name of that file will be two times underscore and then init init and again two times underscore and then dot py. Okay, and obviously it will ask you that are you sure you want to change it. Just click on yes, then only it will change the extension. See, so now we can say that this is my package and my package name is my program because it has one default file that is underscore underscore two times init underscore underscore dot py. So now what I will do, I will create one more file, for example, demo1 dot py. I will create one more file, for example, demo2 dot py, and I will create one more file that is demo3 dot py. So easily now we can understand what exactly we have to do. Okay, so in demo 1 I am going to write only one simple function addition. In demo 2 I am going to write only simple function subtraction, and from demo 3 I am going to import this package that is my program, that is the name of the folder, and in Python language it is nothing but what package. So first of all, let me open these three files, file open and my program, and I will open demo1. First of all, initially demo1, and I will write def addition a comma b colon and return a plus b. Done. I'm done with my demo1. Demo1 dot py. Only one function addition. I am not writing calling statement also. I am simply writing define addition and just return a plus b. That's it. I will close this file now. Then obviously I am going to open demo2. So here I will write define subtraction, and I will write a comma b again, and I will write return a minus b. Control S, and then again I will close this file also. I am not writing any calling statement, only the function definition, or you can say function body. And now I am going to open my last file, that is demo3. So demo3. Okay, now here I am going to write from, and obviously what is the name of our package or folder. So from my program, that is our folder name, import, and we have demo1. Okay, and same line I will write for demo2 also. That means from my program, that is our package name, you have we are interested in importing two files. One is demo1 and one is demo2. And in demo1 we have a addition function, in demo2 we have subtraction function, and in both the function we are returning something. And if we are returning something, we have to store also. So x equal to addition, and we will pass 20 comma 10. But now the question is, it will check for which addition function, from demo1 or demo2. So here you have to mention demo1 dot. Same way, I will write subtraction. Same way, but only change is instead of X, I will write Y. Instead of demo 1, I will write demo 2. And here, instead of addition, I will write subtraction. Okay. And then obviously we will print the answer. Print X and print Y. So as you all can see, we are going to run or execute our demo 3 file only. We have imported some package like my program, and also from my program we have imported file demo 1 and demo 2, and we are calling, now we are actually calling which two function, addition and subtraction, and we are storing our answer in X and Y. So let's check the output of this. See, it is 30 and 10. And suppose like if I write from my program dot demo 1, that means package name and file name, import, and if there are many functions, if you are interested in importing particular function, import addition. Same way, demo 2, import subtraction. So now you are importing particular function. So at the time of calling directly you can write, no need to write demo 1 dot or demo 2 dot. Directly you can call by writing only the name. See, both the ways you will get the answer, but only thing which you all have to remember is when it comes to package, first thing compulsory, it should have underscore underscore init underscore dot py file compulsory. Then only we will consider that folder as package. So that is all about package. Thank you everyone.